Welcome to our crate garden. So here is the crate garden, and you can go back to one of the other videos and take a look at how we got started. But these are the squash. The squash has gotten so big, so big. Take a look at our squash. We also have, there's 3 in each of these crates. Actually, there's 2 in that crate, but we also have cucumbers over here. So these are the lemon cucumbers. We also have on the other end, right next to the squash, we have peppers. And so this squash has gotten so big that it's overpowering the other plants. So in this update coming up, watch how we spread things out. Our crate garden was slightly different last time because as they start growing, we start spreading them out. And so this is what we have. We're actually we had to separate the plants, obviously, because there weren't enough room. So these we have not separated yet, but there's still 3 plants in each one of these, and we're actually going to separate those today. That's why we have these. So in my mom's area, this is her crate garden. This is actually squash. So we took these out of the containers and we put one in between, so that way they have that area to grow. But these right here, there's still 3 in here. So we're gonna thin all of these out. These are kind of like staked up a little bit. We're gonna fix all that up today. There's actually still 3 in this pot, so we're gonna give it a little bit of more room. We have an area waiting here. We're gonna clean this area out here. Some squash plants. They are really thriving here. This is new. And then we have this one right here, who's actually nice and happy. Hey there. And so this one is one huge plant, just one huge one. So we have this. This is one plant in a crate garden. We're gonna fill these up today. This is another squash plant in the crate garden. And this is a cucumber, lemon cucumber. That's a squash. This is a cucumber. That's a squash. That's a cucumber. And so this is the crate garden update.